This is a demo of the provider portal for company providers navigation. To log into the provider portal from the EI Colorado website, you can navigate to the Data Systems tab and select Log in to the EI Colorado provider portal. By clicking on the hyperlink, it will take you to a login screen where you enter your username, which is your email, and your password. Passwords are reset by the data system every 90 days. If you have difficulty logging in, you can use the hyperlink below to request login assistance from the EI Colorado state team. Upon logging in, providers are taken to their homepage. This demo is completed in a staging environment, and therefore there is no personalized information or identifiable information present. To navigate to My Cases, you'll just select the My Cases tab from the top bar. As a company owner, you can search by a variety of options. You can search by the provider's name, by the child's name, by the case number, or by the EI broker. Additionally, your view will default to all cases, but you can filter this to active cases, closed cases, one time, which is likely going to be for assistive technology devices, evaluation assessment, initial IFSP, or all cases. We're just going to go to active cases right now. You can see there are a number of columns. The first is the provider's name. So that's the provider who's assigned to this child's IFSP service. You see the client ID, which is a unique identifier for that child. There's a hyperlink to view activities, which we will talk about in a separate demo. You can see the case ID, which is a unique ID for this child's case at their early intervention broker. The client's name, the ability to upload documents, the ability to view files, the child's date of birth, the date of referral, the ability to add services, the IFSP or the status, which is typically going to read as active. That means this child is actively enrolled in early intervention services with the EI broker. There may be children that you can view in the provider portal that are still receiving active services from the early intervention broker, but may no longer be on your caseload as a provider. We can see the IFSP number, and if we click on that hyperlink, it loads a new tab, which will display a PDF version of the most recent IFSP. And this IFSP is not very well filled out, but we can just close this tab. We see a column for the early intervention broker. We also see if the child's Medicaid enrolled. It will say yes if the child's Medicaid ID is entered in the EI Colorado data system. We'll say no if the child does not have a Medicaid ID listed in the EI Colorado data system. And the final column, you have to scroll a little bit, is insurance type. Depending on the early intervention broker, may or may not be completed. If it is, the options are private insurance, CHP Plus, and TRICARE. This is your basic navigation of the My Cases in the provider portal. If you have any questions, please reach out to the EI data team.